So now let's understand how we are going to connect R with Tableau. So we all know that R is a statistical language which is used for connecting, doing a lot of statistical analysis, etc. Now let's check out how we do the integration of R, how we write script in Tableau for R, and how do we do the connectivity, right? So let's go to search, and in this search we can have this R UI, right? So this is the console RGUI, right? First thing is we need to do is there's a package named rserv. So rserv is a package which creates a bridge between R and Tableau. So first thing is we are going to do the installation. So install dot package if it is not installed in your system. So the same this thing we are going to do in RGUI, and we are going to write as rserv, right, into the braces, and then we are going to click enter. So enter will give you this, and done, right? It is downloading the package and gonna store at the similar location. Now what we are going to do over here is in our function, so probably doing all these works, it is recommended that you should have prior knowledge to R as well. So the first step was installing the package rserv. Rserv is a package which is available in Crane and which is used to build the connection between Tableau and R, right? So this package has been installed in the R section, but we need to load it. So what we are going to do is we are going to write library and the same rserv, and then we are going to click enter. It is telling us that it doesn't contain any package name rserv. In this case we are going to write rserv. So there is no package installed name rserv. Installation of package. So in this case let's just close it down and let's go back and check out. Right, and I can check out library rserv install dot package. So it would be install dot packages, right? We need to select India out here. India is not available. If India is not available, then we can opt for something which is we can opt for other minor mirrors, okay, and then probably we can have so you guys we can select any specific. We select London for time being. Let's check out how it works. And then we can have library rserv. Okay, it's showing me the same error. Let's just close this. Install dot packages rserv. We can go for zero cloud. We Serve library. There is no package called as serve. So so there was a problem with the and technically it was a problem with the version. My system has current version of 3.6.0. So I have just loaded out this thing into 3.4.4, and yes, is okay. And then it is installing the library. Right, now I can have this library serve, and if I want to check the connection is created or not, I can have this thing and it is showing me yes, it is available out there. Now let's go into Tableau now. Right, in this Tableau we can go for help, and then there is a settings and performance, and then there is manage external servers. But we need to remember one important thing over here, that this particular R version, or connecting Tableau with R, only works for Tableau desktop, not for the Tableau public. So Tableau public doesn't have this feature. So if you are using, or you are trying to connect R but you're not finding the option of help and manage keeper, help and manage settings and performance, and in that settings and performance you're not finding up the manage external service connection or directly connecting with R etc stuffs, so that means you're using Tableau public. You need to move on to Tableau desktop in order to use this service. Now let's go over here. We can select serve, which is the library which is used, which has already been taken out here. You can see this. Then you, in this case, you can have this disable. Initially this disable thing will be appear to you, but you need to select localhost, and 6311 is the port number which you need to maintain out. Okay, and then you can just have this test connection. Over here you will get the output successfully connected to the external service, and okay and okay. So this is how you are connected with the R backend. Now let's just remove all these points. Right, now once these connections are done, how we are going to integrate this R, how we are going to do all these calculations and all. So here we need to understand that R has its own limitation with respect to Tableau. Now we'll go to when we'll go to this calculated field area. So when we see there are not much things available with respect to R, but it has few functions. So namely, we are writing out these scripts of R. So there are script. So these are the 4 script which R have. R script boolean, script integer, script real, and script string. So only these 4 strings are there. These 4 scripts are there in order to work with R. We can do a lot of analysis, or we can also do regression, use the LM, we can use clustering, etc., and do the same things using these particular functions only. Right, so let's see how we use these functions and how we plot some of the other thing using R in this.